Ayan, thank you very much, Melvin. Di pa nang ipasok mo iti. Sunata nga day tata. Talaga mga napayagang kami jirwar tatakin na patang mi. Apo nga importante nga tao. Agpapaibok. Kaya lang ko. Adamutan ti awat mi iti day nga date. Ngaron, apay kami tagigid. Dandaya apo day kita nga agpakasar. Apay no dati 8, 18, 28 launay. Apo day kita nga date iti. Kaya ayo da. Nga pa nagpabok. Ngaron, thank you very much. Weekend. Kaya kita may apo ko at tagsanggasat lang tahan kami nga nagkasundo ti ora iti aldaw. Aha. No, it's okay. Aling kapsat Kathy nga timawag ni kapsat nga Ronald. Talaga matong nakiktot kami. Po nagtaraki dito ay imong na launay apalan ni John Mark. Kaya lang kaya iming ni amag sabali mo nagturungan na. Ayan, with this sign talaga. Anyway, din ko pagkada ako ko na ni manang dalin apan nakanuboy ti sina digiti anak na apo ko na DJ SM as asidig namin ti SM kanya dagat nga Robinson DJ Aurora. Yan. Thank you very much also manang dalin kat kukana pa anak ko na nata ag-sponsorak ti insurance card 20,000 face amount 1 year coverage kaya kung nada mo dito apo sige ano kaya mo tayo sponsor kabsat Albert aga mabalin ipa game time to na maminsan of course mabalin mo nga i-select tayo patalastas mo dito yung lokastan kat may puko dito yung mic ta. May sabi nga
pa muna sa sudod. Ajit yung wiki din na kaya.
May sabi nga pangablao ko na ito manong request ko man tayo Hero by Enrique Iglesias. Sagot ko ti bagbagig taawam mo ti mga kablao kanya kan ti amin ng FTD stakeholders ati Darlene and Bonzo. Enjoy your vacation. God bless. Ito yung ating mo Sonia Castilla Santiago of Italy. Ayan, Juan nga Rud, kabsat ko nagtuloy. Ading Sonia, kansyonan mo dito para keng kakan na para kano kini ading Fatima, kini manang dali na nga sonata. Okay? Naka-ready? Once again, congratulations to our winners, duwadan ni Marilyn Efondo ken ni Jeffrey Balacano of Santiago City. Iso nga matay nga ta?
Wen, kastanay. Pero dapat napig sa tingi wa mo no kwa.
Ako, nagriga mo ti kastuda.
Kastuda no kwa.
Ngaron, para ka dagiti hero iti biag tayo apo, dagiti mangi rupir ti paglandagan tayo no si ansunuman dagiti nga tao iti biag tayo para kanya da iti nga sonata. Would you dance if I ask you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight?
Would you tremble if I touch your lips? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. No, would you die for the one you love? Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. Stand by you forever. You can't take my breath away.
Would you swear that you'll always be mine? Would you lie? Would you run and hide? Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. just wanna hold you. I just wanna hold you. Oh.
Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the bed, oh yeah. I will stand by you forever. You can't take my breath away. I can be your hero. I can kiss away the pain. Oh yeah. And I will stand by you forever. You can't take my breath away. You can't take my breath away. Excited ka?
Ano yan?
I can be your hero.
Adi pa lang aja.
Aja pala engkau em dah jeki. On mudun abu.
The Beatles.
60s.
The Beatles.
The Beatles. Think I'm gonna be sad. I think it's the day. Yeah. The girl that's driving me mad is going away. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. And she's got a ticket to ride. But she don't care. She said that living with me is bringing her down. Yeah. For she would never be free when I was around. Di ba mo lyrics na? She's got a ticket to ride. And she's got a ticket to ride. And she's got a ticket to ride. But she don't care. I don't know why she's riding so hard. She had to think twice, she had to do right by me. Before you get to saying goodbye, she had to think twice, she had to do right by me. Think I'm gonna be sad. I think it's the day. Yeah. The girl that's driving me mad is going away. She's got a ticket to ride. And she's got a ticket to ride. And she's got a ticket to ride. But she don't care. Don't know why she's riding so hard. She had to think twice, she had to do right by me. Before she gets to saying goodbye, she had to think twice, she had to do right by me. She said that living with me is bringing her down, yeah. For she would never be free when I was around. And she's got a ticket to ride. And she's got a ticket to ride. And she's got a ticket to ride. But she don't care.
Ay, di na pasok ka na.
My baby don't care.
Kasta.
My baby don't care. My baby don't care.
Yes, sinig mo. Agugot ka.
My baby don't care.
Kasta.
Yan.
Sige, bye.
My baby don't care.
Ale, bye. Sige, bye. Pukong mo pa ito ang umaw.
Mister.
My baby don't care. Kuna na.
My baby don't
Okay,
care.
that song is performed originally done by the Beatles. Ngayon nagmedyo pa nang revive the Carpenters, di ba? Naglamoy. Tapos sige mga sampul lamang barong dati style the Carpenters. Ladies and gentlemen, the late Karen
Paano
Carpenters.
kasama tayo dyan?
I think.
I'm gonna listen. I think it's the day. Yeah, the boy is driving me mad. It's going away. Yeah.
Nagmaya malaki din. Anyway, data yun na po ito may kalopasat ti programa tayo. Aglalog ito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Kurt manan, kada kiti nag-text kada kami. May apong baalan. Mas baalan nga basaan amin kita. So nga till next time, looks pwede ka man po warbaring mabasa min katadating ti English sa part when alaok-laok na parte iti programa. Lagi dipita ito mga pangablaaw. Kuya, pa-request man po yung huli-puli.
Bole. Kuya Joseph, mga apat po ng USA. Ulag si San Andres po ito. Di ba? Nakatulad na na.
Kaunig ti San Andres.
Bole. Muning, manong napag-impleman manong yaje baak abaro. Alay ko kandig ito'y kuduwa nga kadok ito'y Abe Construction iso niyagyagan kan Mateo. Thanks manong. Pag manong June kan manong Jem kasi kuman ka na Cry in the Rain by Orient Pearl. Akong kasi mo ya As I cry in the rain
May bali atong laki
you're the reason.
lyrics ta. Sagot ko iti kasinsin ko nga matamangag sang sangit. La. Abay
Kaasimot.
itatangal daw. It's me Gilbert Tichage. Thank you manong.
Okay lang po, no daman iti sa gupanit, ay no dahil sa kitinakabing isang itsulata. Hangadakas, nagalgalas po no po, pauwilan nyo data nga rin na. Suntulakin iti pakapukawan nyo.
Request ko nga po yung kantang Take Me to Your Heart.
It's me.
Sharing ng
Sharing.
Rizal is
Sun is it.
Rain and slow, trying to forget, but I won't let go.
kasi mo, di ba?
Awan.
Pero gusto nga pa yung kantang Bed of Roses. Wow! Sana po makanta nyo, DJ, kasi dedicate ko sa asawa ko.
Ano ba ibag?
I can't fight this feeling anymore. Kaya para kasi mo dyan, I can't fight this feeling. Saya, I can't fight this feeling any longer.
Palasin na ang kansyon ito naman. For the meantime, may sabong nga sunatan nakapugan ni Junior ito ay napayag nga nari hard to find nga kansyon na pa dito pero nagpindas.
Ay, nagmaiday ta.
One nga road.
Sampal.
One more sleepless night, still can get things right. I don't think you see how hard this is for me, knowing you're leaving. Can we talk things through the way we used to do? Remember how we planned to always understand, trying to find you, trying to find a way to start a life anew. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no tomorrow, only yesterday and time to think. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no more laughter, only sadness stays. All the time I know you're just about to go, I can let you make this one last final break. Trying to tell you, trying to tell myself, but still might find a way. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no tomorrow, only yesterday mental pa na ganun. Okay, kap sa June and Balong, mabalin ka nung nga request ni sister-in-law ko dahil Deep Pray for Woman ni Manang Lisa awan ngamin, timig sila na awan ngamin ni Manong ko Dani, di balay dahil so nag-message kanya ti request na thank you. I would like to say sorry for that piece, haming nga kabisado nabasa dating title ti song Deep Pray for Woman. Anyway, we will research on this and maybe next time kantaan mi dito ay. Sige man Balong, pwede kita dito mga request dito. At tandaan, Deep Pray for Woman. Next time, kantain mi.